Okay, next, after job assignment tab, we have 3 tabs, which are strategy, parameters, and links and leads tab. So these tabs are totally different for different operations, as you can see, and on these tabs we can adjust the parameters of the toolpath individually for every operation. So, for example, for roughing waterline, we have the machining strategy. We can change it, for example, for adaptive or for some other strategy. Here are the parameters of the step, angle, and so on, machining levels, and so on, and so on. So next, on the parameters tab, we can, for example, define the tolerance of the toolpath calculation. We can define the stock and other parameters. And here in the links and leads tab, we can define safe motions, links, leads, and some plunges, and so on. So these are the main tabs for configuring the toolpath calculation in SprutCAM. The important thing to understand is that by default, SprutCAM is choosing some parameter set, which allows you to calculate the toolpath, not adjusting any parameters at all. So the typical workflow in SprutCAM is that first you calculate the toolpath, observe the toolpath in the graphic window, and then you can understand what changes in the parameters you need, and go here to the inspector and change the parameters you need. Recalculate the toolpath and see what is happening, and by this iteration process you achieve the desired toolpath in SprutCAM.